Hi there, Matt here. Hope you're well. So today I'm going to show you how to make one of these, a very simple gardening apron, perfect for anyone who you know who are a bit green-fingered. So it has a couple of pockets in the front, keep your tools in, and a lovely tie. So you will need a piece of canvas measuring 18 inches by 27 inches. Some cotton muslin, which measures 9 inches by 16 inches, and two pieces of herringbone tape measuring 38 inches. Okay, so first we're going to hem the main body of the apron. So if we turn it over, so first we need to hem the bottom here. So we need to press that over by about ½ inch. So let's go there. Press that down. All the way along. And then fold it over another ½ inch and press. And then you just want to put a couple of pins in there to hold it. Hold it in place. There and there. And then you do the same on the sides. So about ½ inch again. ½ inch. All the way up. And then over again. There we go. And then, of course, you want to just put a couple of pins in there just to keep all that in place. Then repeat on the other side. So again, about ½ inch. All the way along there. That's about ½ inch. And then fold over once more and press. And then place pin in the corner. And then along here somewhere. Then you need to do the top hem. And for here, we shall do a 3/4 of an inch hem. So measure that down. So 3/4, roughly there. roughly about 3/4. Now I've forgotten something. The twirl tape along the top. Before you pin that, you need to add the twirl tape in there. So place that in there, fold it, and then fold it again, and then pin it in place. Then repeat on the other side. Place that in there, and then pin it in place. So you then need to go over to your machine and you want to stitch all the way around, about 1/4 of an inch in from the edge. So I'll go over to my machine. Go all the way around. So when you get to the corner, put your needle down, lift up your lever, spin that round, and put that down again, and continue. There you go, right to the end. Let's give that a snip there. Take that thread off there. There we go. That's all the